Welcome back to Bike Buzzin'. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting releases of 2025, the Harley Davidson VR2. This futuristic machine has people buzzing, and it's easy to see why. With cutting-edge technology, bold design choices, and the iconic Harley spirit, the VR2 is setting new standards for the future of motorcycling. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike so special. Revolutionary design. The 2025 Harley Davidson VR2 is a true masterpiece in both form and function. Inspired by a sleek, minimalistic aesthetic, the VR2 embraces sharp lines, an aggressive stance, and an ultra-modern approach. The bike's frame is constructed using lightweight but strong materials, giving it that perfect blend of performance and durability. But it's not just about looks. The VR2 introduces a new approach to ergonomics, with adjustable seating and controls designed to accommodate riders of all sizes and preferences. Whether you're a city commuter or an open-road enthusiast, Harley has crafted this bike to fit your needs. Performance and power. Under the hood, the VR2 is a powerhouse. This bike is powered by Harley's new electric drivetrain, offering a smooth and responsive ride with instant torque. The VR2 is built for both speed and efficiency, delivering impressive acceleration and a top end that rivals some of the best traditional combustion engines on the market. Harley Davidson is also pushing the boundaries of electric performance with the VR2's long-range capabilities. Thanks to advancements in battery technology, the VR2 offers an impressive range that will get you where you need to go without worrying about running out of juice. Advanced technology. The VR2 is packed with next-gen tech that will redefine your riding experience. For starters, it features a fully digital cockpit with a customizable display that integrates navigation, performance metrics, and connectivity. Whether you're tracking your speed or checking your phone notifications, everything is at your fingertips. One of the standout features is the Advanced Rider Assistance System. The VR2 comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and collision warning, making it one of the safest rides on the market. These features work seamlessly, giving you a sense of security on every ride. Innovation and innovation. Harley Davidson has always been at the forefront of innovation, and with the VR2, they've taken a significant step towards sustainability. The electric drivetrain not only reduces emissions but also requires less maintenance than traditional engines. With regenerative braking, the VR2 also recycles energy, improving overall efficiency and range. In addition, Harley-Davidson is using eco-friendly materials in the production of the VR2, ensuring that the bike leaves a smaller carbon footprint without sacrificing performance or style. Inclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson VR2 is not just a bike. It's a glimpse into the future of motorcycling. With stunning design, powerful performance, and groundbreaking technology, this machine is built for the riders of tomorrow. Whether you're an electric bike enthusiast or a Harley fan looking for something new, the VR2 offers something for everyone. What do you think of the 2025 VR2? Is it the future of Harley-Davidson? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bike news right here on Bike Buzzin'. Thanks for watching.